I'm Damien Roy, and welcome on my Guitar Lesson YouTube channel. Today we're still working on a blues in E, but this time we're going to add what we call the E minor pentatonic scale. So this is going to be little add-ons within your blues shuffle rhythm or your blues pattern that you're going to play. So the E minor pentatonic scale, we're going to be playing here with 2 fingers and using also open strings. So let me play it here. So this is an easy pattern that you can easily add within your chord progression in blues. And it sounds pretty cool too. So 2 rhythms we're going to be using here is the 2 8 notes that are terrorized there with the shuffle feel, 1 and 2 and also for the little add-ons of pentatonics we'll be using the triplet feel. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So playing on your pentatonic here, I'll be using here for practicing first finger 1 and 2. Okay, so you can also use finger 2 and 3 or finger 1 and 3. All depends how you want to play. Concerning my right hand, I'm doing the alternate picking here. Okay, but if you're not comfortable with that, you can strum down. The sound won't be the same. On the interpretation of the music here, I'm trying to give a little bluesy feel. What does that mean? I'm kind of bending the notes a little bit. I'm insisting a little bit more on the notes to give them more sense. It will change your interpretation for playing blues. Okay, so let's go and work on the 2 first bars here. Here we go. So here I have 1 and 2 and 1 2 3 1 2 3. So I'm using bits of the pentatonic scale. You can also invent and create some bluesy patterns just like I did here. So let's play it again. So we have the next 2 ones here we're going to be working on is on the A7. So I'm playing the same pattern, but here I'm starting in the A. So you see I added on the first time on the middle finger and the second time I played on the first finger. It doesn't matter. What matters is the rhythm and how it sounds there. I'm still alternating here. Let's move on the 2 next bars here. We're back in E. Pretty simple. Take your time. We have to hear 1 and 2 and 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 and 2 and 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now let's go on the 3rd line here. We have the B7. So you know the B7 how it sounds. Okay, I'll play it again. So down up down up. And then we go on back in A. And you see I'm kind of a tiny bit bending what we call bending the strings here. So it's just like a quarter tone, like an accident here. Back in E now. And then we we have the ending here, first with the B7. And then we have that little solo with the pentatonic for the ending part. So if I replay that little second last measure here, we have. So on the last triplet here, I have open, 2, 2. So I'm going to try to end as if I was playing on an E chord, because here we're ending on the E7 chord. So this is a new E7 chord. It's always good to learn a new chord when you're working on songs here. So the first E7 that you learned was 2 fingers here, but this one here you're going to add another finger on string 2, fret 3. So you can either use your pinky or your third finger, whatever makes you comfortable to play. And just make it shiver a little bit like that for the ending. Okay? There you go. So have fun with this new little blues here, and you can always invent and create your own little blues patterns there with the E minor pentatonic. It's very simple and it's so cool and so fun. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe to my guitar YouTube channel. You'll have more videos that way. And keep on practicing over and over.